The store's insurance adjuster already called you, didn't they? Listen, whenever someone's hurt, adjusters want to call. They want to pretend to be your friend so that you trust them and they can trick you into saying things that are against your interests. So let's take a step back. Number one, what's the difference between an attorney and an insurance adjuster? Well, your attorney is going to help you maximize the amount of money the store or property owner pays you for your injuries. The store's insurance adjuster, well, they're going to try to pay you the smallest amount possible. And they're going to do it while acting like they're your best friend. How you doing? Is it getting better? Hey, were you paying attention when you fell? Hey, were you in a rush? What's going on? Did you have your cell phone in your hand? What were you looking at? What were you doing? They're going to try to get you to say things that make you look a little bit bad. And the reason why is because they want to pay you a small amount as possible. That's their job. Don't ever get mad for someone for doing their job, but you don't have to play their games. Next thing, if you hire an attorney for a slip and fall, how do you pay them? Well, luckily, injury attorneys for the most part do what's called contingency fee, meaning I only get paid if we get you paid. So you have no out-of-pocket expenses. That is a huge relief from people having to pay an attorney to prosecute their injury claim because a lot of people probably couldn't afford to do that. So the next big thing, here are insurance tactics to watch out for. Insurance companies love to minimize your injuries. Hey, so, you fell and you hurt yourself, but really you had some back pain a few years ago. Really, you had some issues a while ago. You really can't count all of that for this case, right? The law in Indiana is the person that did wrong takes the victim as they find them. So if the person's more susceptible to injury, well, guess what? Property owner is responsible for them. So they're going to try to minimize what you're doing. Also, they're going to try to attack how much medical treatment you got. Oh man, you went to the doctor 5 times? Most people only go to the doctor 2 or 3 times after this type of injury. We can't be responsible for all of that. This isn't a free-for-all. Stop. They're trying to minimize, Don't fall for it. The third trap is they're going to try to be your friend. They might call you a lot, ask how you're doing. They may not even ask about the actual case for the first couple of calls. We're just checking in to make sure you're okay. It's classic negotiation from the insurance company, how to pay them as little money as possible 101. They're trying to make you feel comfortable with them so that you are trusting them to say some things against your interests. Don't you agree you were in a rush? Maybe if you've been paying attention, you wouldn't hurt yourself. Maybe you shouldn't have gone out when it was snowing. No. They're trying to get you to say things so they can pay you less money. Don't fall for those tactics. And then they're going to stop maybe being so polite. They're going to start being a little accusatory. Maybe just delaying things or denying things for no reason. There's all sorts of things you have to watch out for with insurance companies, insurance adjusters. Don't fall for them. So let's give some real life examples. We've had people going to grocery stores, slip on improperly plowed ice and snow, broken arms, clavicles, very high settlement. We've had people at restaurants fall over improperly graded paths. Guess what? Big settlement when there's a broken bone and whatnot. So the value of these injury cases is all over the place. But the majority of people who are hurt in slip and fall incidents have broken bones, fractures. And broken bones and fractures are worth more settlement value than bruising or mild discomfort for a few weeks. So here at the Marc Lopez Law Firm, we understand slip and fall injuries are not fun, and they usually are pretty devastating. So if you have a slip and fall case, give us a call, 317-632-3642. We will love to talk to you about your options. Remember, the insurance company, well, they're not your friend, but I can be. Give us a call.